Hi, I'm Jeanette.
And Jenna.
And we are here at 40 Kennels. Today we're going to do puppy sponge baths.
Yes.
Why do we do them?
To make sure our puppies are nice and clean. We do it every day.
We do. Every puppy every day gets a sponge bath. It's not only for cleanliness, but it's also to increase handling and touch tolerance with our puppies, and just doing that head to tail check, making sure everything looks good. There's no ouchies or little stickers or sap. We do have trees here that drop sap. They get sap on them.
Clean.
In the playground, yeah. Just spending that time with them every day. Are you guys ready to go with us and do some sponge baths?
I
think they should get the poopy puppies.
Yeah.
Or maybe you should get all the poopy puppies.
No, you should.
Yeah.
You're better. You've been doing it longer.
I know, so I've been doing it longer, so maybe I shouldn't get the poopy puppies.
No,
I've paid my dues.
Yes, but you can do them
faster. I
faster
think Jenna
and
should get all the poopy puppies, or you. Let's go.
Okay, so we do some nice warm water with some of our shampoo. Now, we're gonna get our washcloths. What are we doing?
Millie's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew.
And a comb to
Clean.
comb
if
out
there's sap or
poo-poo bums or poop anywhere, because puppies have no poop discretion and they'll be playing and not caring where they are and roll around in it. And we have found that just a simple black tooth comb is the best to comb out the poop.
All right, so now we are all set up. We got our bath water, we got our chart, and what this chart is it's pretty much just all of our puppies' ribbon names. So we got pink, purple, red, blue, green, orange, yellow, lime. As you can see, the puppies are very eager to get bathed.
Yeah, they are. They're being noisy.
So we'll just check it off when we do one, so we know who
So we keep
we've
track
done.
so that nobody gets left in our comb. Yeah. So now we only need one more thing.
What? The
Puppies.
Right,
Let's go.
Let's go. Right. All right, so we do have our puppies now.
We do.
So what do we do
The
first?
first thing I do is I clean out any eye boogers. So we clean those out every day. Yes, I know. Thank you. We're going to clean head to toe, checking their ears and make sure they're clean. We will wipe them down. I like to know if I'm getting any poop to start with.
That's what I do too.
I know, like how bad is it going to be, and how bad is their pee-pee?
All right.
Just
then
the
we
reality.
Grab our rags.
Now,
rinse
just
it out.
like using your own towel, we always start on the face and work down, because nobody
wants to wipe their bum and then wipe their face.
That's right.
Or their feet, or
That's just
They start
gross.
with the face.
So we always start with the face, and every puppy gets their own washcloth. So we get the face and the ears. Down the tail, there you go. What a good boy. Yes, you are. Get the feet. Let's get your little paws. What have you been stepping in, huh? Dirt and poop? Have you? Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Get a little bit of brown stuff off that. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Oh, you look so cute.
Then
He's like giving the pouty face.
is he?
Yeah, like
Yours looks like she's enjoying it a lot more than mine.
she is. Like she's.
Mine's just like kind of tolerating
Look at her,
it.
she's
Like, whatever, I know you have to do this. Yours is like loving it.
She is.
Okay, the private's clean, dude. Got the clean pee-pee.
I'm a bit behind you. Oh my god.
I think he feels completely and utterly violated. It's hard not to probably feel that way.
All right, so mine's
But-
got a little bit of poop on his butt. So
Oh, I'm gonna go grab number 2. Oh, Jenna, will you mark me off green?
Who is it?
Green.
Green, right? You had green.
Yeah, I had green.
Okay.
I didn't do my chart. Purple. All right, what do we got here, huh? Good morning, sunshine. Go down. Oh,
Oh yeah. This is cute. I love him.
I got a poopy one.
I love my little blue.
Let's do with the comb.
I used it. Gotta clean those eye boogers.
Look at that, though. That's what I'm talking about. These combs.
Oh, he's a lovey-dovey too.
Are awesome. What?
Oh, I
Did you
think
get a lovey-dovey one?
Again.
Okay.
These are so cute. So, dirty little privates.
Start with the face. Don't forget. Wash the
won't.
face before the
He's a big boy. It's
privates.
kind of hard to check his little bum.
Hi.
He's a clean bum.
This has really helped set our puppies apart. This handling every day that might seem kind of inappropriate to
And
them.
violating.
It's a little violating, but really teaching them to be tolerant of all types of touch. So if they get that sticker stuck in their paw when they're out hiking someday, if
You
they
can
live with the
easily
family.
pick up their paw and very gently take it out.
Yeah, you see how absolutely compliant they are. Some even enjoy it. We actually make that difference when we do the puppy evaluations.
You guys already knows.
We want all of our puppies to be compliant, but then there's a difference of compliance and truly enjoying the touch. Those are distinct differences we look for in doing, therapy dogs and facility dogs that will be handled and managed.
Yes, if they enjoy the touch, it's most likely they're going to become a therapy dog.
Well, they could,
if
yeah.
that is
Or great for just a busy family with lots of little hands and kids. Getting dressed up, getting bows put on them, put in strollers.
I do that with, I almost said Oliver. With Augie, but he tolerates it. I don't know if he necessarily loves it.
All right, are you all clean? Are you feeling super dapper? Are you? You're so pretty. What? There we go.
Don't say dapper.
Don't say dapper? They're like the dapper dudes. Look at her. She's so excited and happy about her spa day.
Her spa day every day. She's living out our dream.
Yeah, she's living out the dream. You're just gonna go to sleep now. We all need this. Yeah, we all need the massage and the bath,
Oh, yes.
and then to be rocked to sleep.
Good. Oh, duty.
She's gonna go. Look at her.
He might go too. No, he probably not gonna go. Oh wait. Oh, I did kiss it.
Oh man, I missed a spot on her face.
Oh,
I got
Mom.
it. I got it.
You're fired.
I got it. Look at mine's quiet.
I know. Mine's
You got the
not.
naughty one. I got the good one.
I know. I wish. But he's a good boy.
I got a lot of close-ups
Okay, go.
with the zoom.
Yeah, get this. Split the.
Oh, that blue. Gotta mark this off.
There's nothing better than a puppy just falling asleep in your arms. This innate trust and mutual respect we have for one another is so much a part of the foundation that we start here at 4E Kennels. Okay.
Pink, red, orange, and lime. We're almost there.
Pink, orange, red, and lime.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's go.
We're doing.
All right, red collar female.
Puppy 3 for me.
Yep, puppy 3 for me
Okay,
too.
so
Okay.
I have pretty pink. I love how dark she is.
Yeah, she's super dark. Yeah.
Look at this. She's super dark.
Good. All right, let's do it. Into the paws we go. Are you gonna just hold her all day, him all day, or her, or get to
I
work?
can just let you bathe all the
This
puppies.
we do have stuff to get done on the farm, Jenna.
I know.
It's not just all holding puppies around here as much as we would
wish.
like to.
They're so cute. This is why I love puppies. I hope I like puppies. I mean,
Private's at
I
the.
hope so.
What do you think about rats?
Oh gosh, no rats.
No rats.
No rats.
Are you sure about that? Seems to me you were like running away
Can we
today.
not?
Oh, let's watch a little clip right now. I'm going to take you to a little clip of Jenna, farm dog going after a rat, and you get to hear Jenna screaming like a little girl. She did pretty good.
I am a little.
Let's go watch it. She's eating your hair. Okay, look, that's why I always tell you to pull back your hair.
I'm really.
Necklaces and leaving your hair long are two things.
I like chokers, not necklaces.
Well, I know,
Well,
but
I
that's
like-
two things us farm girls cannot wear around puppies. Okay, I'm gonna go get the next one. Okay, come here.
Hey, Addie, can you help me?
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Oh, she has another privates.
Okay, you're gonna have to wash that really good.
That's not too bad though. Spit there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, wash that out. Go get it. Go get another comb.
Oh my gosh. She's cute. Okay.
All right.
Where did my rag go? Is this it?
I don't know, honey.
We'll just say this is it. Did you get a dirty one?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Hopefully
But
you
you
did.
never know. Hopefully I did.
Oh no, I have the last one. Please don't be a really bad.
Yeah, I hope it is. I hope you got the worst one.
No, I hope. He has the raccoon eyes. He's like got those white raccoon eyes. He's so cute.
That's your dog barking back there. The little toy
Okay.
poodle always barking at something. Oh, yeah.
Doggy. Oh, that's your dog barking.
I know.
Your dog's always barking.
Not much can happen around here without all of our little alarm systems letting us know.
So we got through 1, 4, 5.
Okay. Oh, go ahead and start.
Okay, and then we'll do like like,
Okay.
and subscribe. It will really help the 40 farm out.
Okay, you do that part.
Okay.
Okay, we are down 1 litter. Two more to go.
And we
All
knocked
right.
them out fast.
45.
All right, well, why don't you guys like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you are always updated when we post a new video. All right.
Go! Wait. What's our title? The 40 Farm, the 40
Farm Girls.
the 40 Farm Girls. Like
it'll
our
definitely help
show,
our
the
farm.
40 Farm Girls.
Yes.
The 45 and the
40 Farm Girls.
40 Farm Girls, and you did your whole like and subscribe.
Yeah, I've got that down.
I was having you
'Cause-
say it again. I was telling you to say it again.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're always updated when we post a new video.
Is there a
And
ring a
it'll-
bell on YouTube? You can ring a
Yeah,
bell?
yeah. So when you
Oh.
subscribe, there's a little bell. If you hit it, you always get notified when they post again.
Okay, all right, so
Okay,
do
let's
that.
do our actual intro now.
Okay, let's do action.
Okay. So I'll be like.
1 litter down.
2 to go.
2 more. 45. Great
All right.
teamwork,
Well, while
little
you're at it,
boo.
why don't you hit that like button and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're always updated when the 40 Farm Girls post again.
Bye.
All right.